Here the topics which we can learn about this course. First one is what is Linux and why Linux. Installation guide in Windows, which software need to install for practice purpose. Next, directory structure of the Linux and basics commands, search commands and user and group management, file permissions and UMAS, partition and disk management, LVM, software and package management, job automation, backup and restore, booting procedure, sudo and va editor, daemons and monitoring commands. And what is Linux? It's a open source operating system just like Windows, Mac and Android. It's a typically packaged Linux distributions which includes the kernel and supporting system softwares and libraries, many which are provided by the JNU projects only. And popular Linux distributions include Debian, Fedora, Linux, CentOS, Red Hat, Ubuntu. Why Linux instead of other operating systems? Mainly, it's a open source development model and supports a wide range of hardwares and supports many networking protocols and configurations. Multi-user multitasking means we can connect the multi-users at a time to access the servers and all. We can do multitasking as well in that servers, and it's offer greater security than many other operating systems and requires no antivirus programs for protection. While installing the Linux, no need to install any separate drivers for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mouse, touchpad, etc. It's inbuilt, it's automatically install the drivers as well. Linux system provides high performance over different networks. It's capable of handling large number of users simultaneously. And the Linux security feature is the main reason that is the most favorable option for developers, and it is not completely safe, but it's less vulnerable than others. Linux is more stable than other operating systems. It's facilitated with powerful software for networking. It provides various command line tools such as SSH, IP, mail, telnet and more connectivity with other systems and servers. Now directory structure of the Linux means it's same like as a C and D drives in Windows, but in Linux there is separate directories for configuration files, log files, user details, etc. Here slash, we can call it as a forward slash, means it's a parent directory of all other directories. It's called as a root directory in Linux, like C drive in Windows. Then slash root, it's a home directory for root user. Root user means here super user like administration user in Windows. Then slash home directory, it is a home directory for other users. Then slash boot, it contains a bootable files for Linux like kernel, init, grub, etc. Slash etc, it contains all configuration files like slash etc password, slash resolve.conf, etc. Then slash user, by default all softwares will store in this directory. Slash opt, it's a optional directory for slash users and contains third-party softwares which install on Linux. Slash dev contains device files, means hard disk related information here. Then slash bin contains the commands used by all users, binary files. Sbin super user binary files. MNT mount point or mount point directory, mostly it is in empty directory. Proc contains process files and OS information as well. Where contains variable data like log files, mails and all. Media, it contains all removable disk details like pen drive, CD-ROM, etc.